I'm going to be making a live withdrawal of 2 USDT in this video right here, and all I have to tell you just to stick around to the end of this video so that you will see how I'm going to do everything step by step. So but before that, just look below the video. You see that button that says subscribe. Click on it, click on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post any content like this. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share it with friends so that more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. As you can see over here, I currently have 10 USDT in my total asset, and right now I'm going to make a live withdrawal in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go over to this section that says project. If I go over to that section, I'll be able to invest in any of the packages. As you can see, the first package, if you invest 10 USDT, you'll be getting a daily return of 19%, and it is valid for 180 days. If you scroll down, the percentage will be increasing and the investment will be increasing. So right now, the one I'm eligible to invest in right now is 10 USDT. So I'll just click on that. So if I just click on invest now, I'll be brought to this page. So all I have to do is just to input the amount I want to invest over here, which is 10 USDT. And if I input the 10 USDT over here, as you can see, it's showing that I'm going to be getting 1.90 USDT every day. So I'll just scroll down and click on invest now, and my investment will be successful. As you can see, says purchase successful. So right now it is now at my purchase section where all my investments are. So now I will be going back to place a withdrawal in this video. So all I have to do is just go over to this section that says me. Going back to that section, as you can see, immediately you invest, your total asset is going to increase immediately. So now I'll just click on this button that says withdraw. So if I go over to that section, I'll see different methods in which I can withdraw. I can withdraw using BEP20 USDT, and I can withdraw using TRS20 USDT, but I like withdrawing using BEP20. In this section, I'll be opportunity to input the amount I want to withdraw. Here I'll input my withdrawal address, which is BEP20, and here I'll input my password, and after that I'll click on confirm. My withdrawal is going to be successful. Now that I've successfully inputted my withdrawal amount, my withdrawal address and my password, I'll be clicking on the confirm button right now for my withdrawal to be processed. And now as you can see, it says withdrawal successful. So now that you have seen that the withdrawal is successful, let us wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop. All you have to do is just to look up over here and check the time. As you can see, it's 12:35. So let us check when the withdrawal is going to drop and check how fast the withdrawal is going to be. Withdrawal confirmed successfully. This is 1.9 USDT, which was exactly what I withdrew, and I withdrew it at exactly 12:35, and as you can see, the time shows the same thing, so which means the withdrawal drops immediately. Now that you have seen the withdrawal of 2 USDT in my crypto wallet right now, you've seen that the platform pays and the withdrawal drops immediately. It is very fast. The withdrawal drops automatically. So just leverage on this platform. But I like to drop a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, that everything I do on this video is just for educational purposes, and it is based on your own accord. So everything I do here is not financial advice, and don't take any of them as financial advice. And I would like to also drop a disclaimer that I don't know the owner of the platform, neither do I know who created it, but I'm just here to share with you tips to make money online and grow profitable online business. So right now, if you want to be getting more contents like this, click on the subscribe button, like this video, share it with more people so that it's going to get to a wider audience. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. From now, what I'll be showing you now is how to register and how to use the platforms to start making money for yourself. So all you have to do is just go over to the comment section, click on the registration link, or you go to the video description, click on the registration link, and you'll be taken to the registration page. So after the registration, you'll be able to invest in a package and other stuffs like that. So the company, what I'm just introducing to you in this video, is a company, is a platform, an investment platform, a crypto investment platform. So the name of the platform is AMD, as you saw in the video when I was making it. So now I'll be giving you a brief information about this platform called AMD. So you can be able to earn passive income every day using the AI of this AMD platform. So the first thing I'm telling you now is AMD is coming. The world ticket of the AI era is now open to you. It was founded in 1969, AMD, as the world's top semiconductor listed company. is using epoch-making AI chip technology to ignite the intelligence revolution. Today, ordinary investors can also participate in artificial intelligence clusters and enjoy daily returns of up to 26%. Then number two, why invest in AMD? Daily generous returns, world-class technology equipped with rising AI, Instinct M1 300X, M1 300A, EPYC series, Pensando DPU and Alveo accelerator. Low threshold. Start investing with as little as 10 USDT. Generous daily returns depending on the project you choose. Daily returns can reach 19% to 26%. Powerful referral system. Form your team to get 3 levels of additional returns. 3. Click the link below to start your financial freedom. So all you have to do is just go to the video description or the comment section and click on the link, and you'll be able to register on this amazing platform. So I'll also be dropping the official channel, the official Telegram channel link below. So I would like to bring to your notice that anytime you see a red cross sign before the title of any video, it means that the platform is no longer paying. This is to ensure transparency with my audience and to also avoid wastage of time. So if you just see any red cross sign, no need of watching the video except you want to just watch it for educational purposes only. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to this page. This is the registration page. As you can see, there are two methods of registration. You can register using your email, you can register using your phone number. So all you have to do is just input your email address over here, input a password suitable to you, but let it be secure. Then you confirm the password again. If you scroll down, you see the section that says invitation code. You leave it the way it is. Then input this verification code. The verification code is this image showing over here. Input it in this box over here. So after inputting it, you click on sign up button over here and your account is going to be created successfully. But before that, once you have created an account on this platform, you are going to see this pop-up over here. This is basically everything you need to know about this platform, and you have to just read it to know about the platform you are about to go through it. So all you have to do is just to click on this close button over here, and the pop-up is going to be closed, and you are going to basically see everything about this platform on this home page. Let's go back to this section that says project over here. So if you go over to that section, you're going to see different packages you can invest in. As you can see, the minimum package you can invest in over here is 10 USDT, and daily you'll be getting 19% and all that. If you scroll down, you're going to see others. You're going to see you'll be able to get 60 USDT daily, you're getting 20%. Others, if you scroll down, you'll be seeing more of them. So just invest the one that is suitable to you and the one that you can afford. If you go back to the home page, before you can make investment, you have to make a recharge into your account. So you go back to the section that says recharge, you see all the methods in which you can make a recharge into your account. You can see there are 5 methods right now. You can recharge in Bet20 USDT, TRX20 USDT, TRX, Binance Bitcoin, Bet20 USDC. But me, Bet20 USDT is my best. So if I go over that section, I will see the QR code and I will see the address. So I have to do just to click on copy over here. If I copy the address, I'll go to my crypto wallet, deposit the amount I want to deposit, which the minimum deposit is 10 USDT. And after depositing the amount, I'm going to come back here, refresh my dashboard, and I'm going to see the money reflect over here. So once the money reflects, you go over to section that say project, invest in it, and every day you watch your income rise. But once you invest, you're going to get an amount to withdraw at that point, as I showed you at the beginning of this video. So if we go over to this section that says team, you are going to be able to refer your friends and make money for yourself. So you go over to that section, you're going to see your referral link and all that. So this is your referral link, this is your referral code. So just click on copy and it's going to be copied successfully. So if you scroll down, I'm going to see all the rewards for each referral. As you can see, for the level 1, you are going to be getting 8% commission for any of their deposit. Level 2, 3%. Level 3, 1%. Then here you'll be able to track your team size, your team recharge, your team withdrawal. Then any new team that registers on that day, they are going to be able to track their first time recharge and their first withdrawal. So you go over the section that says VIP/me. You're going to see other features of this platform. This section over, you'll be able to recharge your account as I showed you. This section you'll be able to withdraw. Then this section that says account, if you go back to that section, you're going to be able to see how much is in your basic account and your withdrawal account,
and all that. Then if you go over section that say financial record, you're going to see all the transactions you have made on this platform. If you click on change password, you'll be able to change your password. If you click on sign out, you'll be able to sign out for this platform. If you go to this section over here, you're going to be able to contact the customer care support if you face any situation. As you can see here, you can join their Telegram channel. You can contact their customer care support on Telegram. You can contact on WhatsApp and all that. Then if you click on this mail over here, you're going to see messages that are sent to you on the platform. Let me just click on that. If you click on that, you're going to see all the messages. As you can see, this one it says registered successfully, and the other one said withdrawal successful, which is the withdrawal I made at the beginning of this video. If you click on this section, you're going to be able to change the language based on your own country. If you come back to the home page, if you click on this section, you're going to be able to download their mobile app. Then if you click on this section, you're going to see frequently asked questions. That's what FAQ means, frequently asked questions. So you'll be able to ask any questions anytime you face any difficulties in the platform.
If you watch this video to this very extent, it means that you have been enlightened on how to use this very platform to make money for yourself. Subscribe to this channel if that sounds like true. Like this video, share it with friends, so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be available to respond to them as fast as possible. I'll be signing out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel. The link is on the video description and on the comment section, and link is also on our YouTube channel homepage, so do well to join the family. Thank you so much for watching. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation clan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.